What is up, guys? Today is my first video and I will be teaching you how you could get a lot of money in a company if you're broke. Now it's a small chance it may not be accurate and you could not win anything. It's not a guarantee. I mean, not win, get any money. So hold on, let me just join the private code.
Yeah, you sound like that. And yo.
Okay, that was crazy. So, first thing we gotta do is I don't need that shit. Alright, first thing we're gonna wanna do is join the code. Here's proof. I already spent some of it, but I used to have 300 and something, and now I have this. So, going to type in, friendly fire is recommended to be off. Monkey! Gotta yell at. Alright, Trade. Oh wait, trade. This is a trading code, and a lot of people like to sell stuff in here. And you're gonna want to be in this code for about 1 minute. So let's wait a minute. I'll be counting in my head, and I'll leave the code and see if it changed. So 16762. If that changes, this is a success.
wait, can we join a private code? It should be. Who
No,
gets
it's not.
trade?
The code out is like an hour.
Was there a pink dot? Was there a pink dot?
Pink dot.
Can we trade? Can we trade?
Yeah, garentee vi ska bara ge det. Jag kunde inte.
Nice one, gay boy. No one likes gay people. Buddy. Just blow it up. And now the David.
How those guys work is that you need to keep staring at them or else they kill you.
It's Fredo selling. Karga. Philip.
Places on raw, I just proved it.
As I should. That's kind of the bad thing.
Alright, I viewed it, and it did not change. But don't worry, I got a couple more codes. If trade doesn't work, try join here. These other ones I'm just guessing. But join the code sell. No one here? Okay. Then money.
He became a teleport gun.
Bro, I hope my friend gets.
I'm kidding. You can't even.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What are you guys doing?
I made it.
I'm in my box. Hey, Bob. No, don't take it.
I'm not
No,
gonna
touch
take it. I'm just gonna.
No touch
I'm
it.
just gonna go on it.
Bro, you're not that bad. No touch it. No touch it. That's it. I don't have money, bro.
Give me the shit.
I actually have like 1.83 million. Bro, that's a lot, bro.
You can buy another cardboard box.
I
want your cardboard
too
box back?
much.
You want your cardboard box
Oh yeah,
back?
those sell for like nothing.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Oh,
Oh,
like
shoot.
$2.
Fucking
Don't
there, I
worry.
guess. Oh,
Bro, I got one. I got
look. Fill it up.
No
way.
Fill it up. Put it
doing
in.
this
Fill
right
it up.
now.
There's someone down there.
Oh my god, no!
No.
Stop doing it!
Alright, bye guys.
No, bro, please.
Wait, you
I
guys
didn't
are in a
deserve
YouTube
this.
video.
I wanna go to the
You guys are in a
video.
YouTube video. Say hi to YouTube.
Uh-oh.
You.
Yeah, I'm broke.
Oh, wait. What was that?
Did I get anybody?
Wait.
On this server who has a Galaxy
Why,
Demon
you're in a
Sword.
YouTube video. Say hi.
Galaxy Demon Sword?
What?
Say hi.
What?
You're in a YouTube video.
Wait, what?
Say hi.
Say
Say hi. Don't be camera shy.
No, please don't do this to me.
Say hi.
Don't do this.
I got Galaxy
No.
Money.
Hey, okay.
Oh, one, you have to do that.
No, let's wait.
No, you just have to. I'm gonna look in the mirror.
Let's go, bro. Demon Sword.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright, as you guys heard, that worked. That code worked. Yo, damn! 8, 9, 10. So that's like 3,000 I've gotten from that code. So you can either join the code trade for 1 minute or join the code money for 2 minutes. Now, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys got some bucks, cause just for this little thing that could help you with mobility. Man, look how much! 2,000 for a thing that I would have guessed it would have been like 600. And this, I see the worth should be 1,500, not a bit more. This is reasonable price. This is OP. It could get you and items and stuff out. But this is reasonable price. Actually, it's not really, because you have to reload to put that at 1,000. If you didn't have to reload, that would have been, yeah. Yeah. I'm really liking. Also, here's a little thing. Developers, please patch this. People have been doing this from the first code you saw it, where there was like purple stuff. I had these unlocked. These were completely unlocked. But since they're not unlocked and no one could get them, if you had 3 resource points, you're able to infinitely buy. And that's like showing people, how many resource points do you have? That's what one of the kids in my server said, in a different server. He said, how many resource points do you have? When some guy was buying it over and he said, I have like over 10,000. No, you do not. Oh my god, that's such a scam. And he was buying the same thing. Because you can't buy the same thing at once. You'll just buy it. Buy. So that kid was falling for it because it'll pull out the item. Which is why the large needle is completely glitched. Bamabuka. Hope you enjoyed this first video. I will be making more. I am able to make more on mobile games, VR, and PlayStation. Yeah. So PlayStation 5, VR, and mobile. I'm able to do those 3 different devices to post on here. So this is my first VR. When I do a tablet one and when I do a PlayStation one, then yeah. Yeah. Anyways, bye. Enjoy. I want to say a line like Chubby or similar, like stay chubby, but something else. Oh wait, I got something. Have a good day, good night, good evening, and good afternoon. And my name's Jeffy. Or something, I don't know. Bye bye. Also, why is this blurry? I don't know. Bye. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.